Have you ever wondered why exactly does science disapprove of any godly idea, of any spirituality, intuition? Where exactly does this idea clashes with the science, with the physics? So in all the old religious scriptures from all over the world, Hinduism, Judaism, Islam, Christianity, that is based on Judaism, but still, there is a very clear understanding that we are not our body, we are a soul. The soul is connected to the God, the spirit, the universe, it doesn't matter how you call it. Full faith in this endless particle inside us that gets reincarnated and rebirth, where this is eternal, whether the body is physical and composable. Science doesn't agree. And let's go a little bit into the scientific part. In science, everything is measurable. Everything is measurable and everything works according to scientific rules. For example, the energy preservation law says that energy cannot be created or destroyed. Energy can only change its form. So all this world and everything I have in my body is already existing, and the changes happen within the existing matter. A new matter cannot be created and interfere. So if God or any spirit would like to interact with me, it means a new energy will come to my closed system and influence it. Now this contradicts the basic physics of this world. So for example, think about your phone as yourself, as a metaphor. If my phone is dead because it doesn't have battery, the only way I can make it work again is to plug it into energy, right? Energy that already exists in the electricity will be plugged to my phone will work. But if there is no energy plugged in, if I will not plug the phone, how will it come back to life? This is what the science is asking. If our brain, our whole body is already working under a closed system, then how can it be that in spirituality, God can interfere with us externally? This doesn't make sense to them. For example, if you push a car, your car is stuck, you need to push it, then eventually the car will move. But because you pushed it, you got the energy from your food, from your biological system. So there's always, in science, a clear steps of ideas of how things work. They cannot wrap their head around the option that something external can interfere with the closed system of us, because that will make them doubt everything we know about how the world works. So if, for example, I have a dream and I wake up and say, the universe is communicating with me, or God is communicating with me through my dream, or even if I have a vision, or if even I have any kind of intuition, then this would mean that energy from outside has interacted with me. And that doesn't work with the law of energy conservation that says that energy cannot be created or destroyed. So what to do? So if anything connects with me externally, any godly idea, any intuition, any spirit, any angel, anything like this in many cultures, this will violate the idea of the basic of physics, which is the energy conservation law. So overall, the only way for a spirit to interact with the human mind is by violating the law of physics. This is a very fascinating subject that is also new to me, but I really want to promote it and let other spiritual seekers kind of delve into this idea. Personally, I think that scientists are really on the edge of finding a lot of new things. Just like quantum physics is kind of new to us, we are really at the age of a breakthrough, in my opinion, in my, we can call it intuition, which is also not supported by science, as we explained. We are really at such a special time here on Earth. Humanity is going through so many shifts, so many changes, especially these last few months since the beginning of the new year. Please write to me your thoughts, whatever you think. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are inspired.